Hello everyone. Let's start the texture art step by step. So the items that I have used are canvas, masking tape, a gesso or a primer, you can use any, texture paste and palette knives. For the canvas prep, stick the masking tape on all the four corners as shown in the figure and then apply gesso or a primer, a very thin coat evenly on it. Beyond that, let it dry for 3 or 4 hours. This is a texture paste. Once the primer is dried up, add on or put in the texture paste and just spread it across your canvas. Just play with it and spread it across. Now you can use the texture comb and start creating your patterns the way you like it. You can overdo the patterns. The idea is to just have fun. You can see more embossing, just overdo it and finalize the design once you are satisfied. Quick tip, you can redo the designs again and again until you're completely satisfied. Make sure to remove the extra paste from the texture comb for even smooth design and play with the paste. Just have fun. I will share all the details of the material I have used at the end of the video. Once the design is ready, remove the masking tape while the texture paste is still wet. It is very important. Otherwise, it will harden and more difficult for you. If at all, if there is any extra paste at the corner, you can remove with a swab, cotton swab or a tissue paper. Now let the canvas dry overnight or at least for 6 to 7 hours. Now it's time to color. Make sure to move your paint brush in the same direction as that of the pattern that you have created. This will ensure that the paint reaches to every corner of your design. Also try to be very generous with the paint when you're applying it. It is better to apply 3 coats of paint. And you can also use a final coat of varnish for a glossy finish. Here I have used a glossy finished varnish for a nice shine on my pattern. I'll show you a closer look. See how beautiful it looks. Great, that's it. These are the important products that I have used in my video for my texture art. All the descriptions and the links are there in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Please do share. Thank you so much.